Hi, chemistry. Problem number 1 on page 308. They give us a balanced equation with carbon monoxide, 2 moles of hydrogen gas, and it synthesizes CH3OH. The question tells us that we have 75 grams of CO. There you go, CO. And it produces this CH3OH, and it gives us an amount of each. So we're going to figure out, in theory, what it should produce. It tells us what it actually produces, and we're going to do a percent yield. So starting off with the amount of the reactant, 75.0 grams of CO. We need molar mass. We need the mass of CO in a mole to be able to use mole ratios. So carbon monoxide, 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, that's 12.01 and 16. So just one of each, and you add that up to get 28.01. Oops, I shouldn't have crossed that out yet, because now we have to use mole ratios. 1 and 1. So 1 mole of carbon monoxide would create 1 mole of CH3OH. Now we get to mass in grams of this CH3OH. So again, molar mass. 1 mole of CH3OH, and we need to know how much that would weigh. So some different pieces to the puzzle: a C, an H, and an O. 1 C, 1, 2, 3, 4 H's, and 1 oxygen. 12.01, 1.01, 16, just 1 of those, 4 of those, 1 of those, and that's going to add up to 32.05, 32.05 grams of CH3OH. So when you multiply this, this is the theory, that's a T there, this is the theoretical yield. The theoretical yield is 85.8 grams of CH3OH. The problem tells us the actual yield, what they actually get, and they actually get 68.4 grams. So we're going to compare that to what the whole thing would be if in theory we could create 85.8 grams. That's the theory. There's that actual over theory. When we divide that, we get 0.797. They want us to explain that as in a percentage. So we move this 2 to the right. 79.7% is the percent yield.